Hi people, well I'm doing a short video. I'm gonna wet my orchid. I already wet these. I took almost all of it out because they keep growing and growing, new ones, and they were growing like lopsided. So I had to put this type of thing, to hold it up and for them to grow a little better. I put in this side. It's gonna go with the other plant over there, where the small table is at, but I'm leaving it here to drain, as you can see, so it doesn't wet the floor. Well, this is another orchid. This is the one that my husband gave me after the hurricane, because he says that I helped him out a lot, with his clothes and everything, and I deserve a little gift. So he took me out to eat, and when we were coming back up down, he bought me a beautiful orchid. It's in the old videos. I'm gonna put the link in the bottom so you could see how beautiful it was with the flowers. So now it has three. It has three babies coming out, which is they're gonna be planted separately. So I'm gonna put this up here and water it. And then I have this one that is growing new growth, and that's why I keep separating them, because they grow like crazy. I don't know what I do to it. So I water the other two. I'm gonna water this one, and this one I just let it keep their babies. When I see it's too stuff in there, I'll change it to another place. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time.